Hey, what's up, my friends? Welcome back to another video for you guys, and I'm going to be unboxing the official Obsidian Google case for the Pixel 9a. Now, I gotta tell you guys, the packaging to me seems, a little weird, but it's nice though. It's recyclable material. I love how they're, try to go green for the environment. But anyways, yeah, so we'll take a look around the packaging. It's pretty clear cut, dry, and simple. Grab this end, pop it open, and you're good to go. And the funniest thing here is that the case is wrapped up like our smartphones are inside their box. It's the darndest thing. Like, oh, okay, So let's go ahead and I'm gonna tear into this. I'm not gonna be saving the wrapper at all whatsoever. Maybe some people might, in case they plan to resell the case, but not me. So yeah, let's just rip it open. And here is the case in itself. Now you may be like, why didn't you get, the iris colored case? And I just wanted a different case to, bring out the googliness in it of a two-tone color. And I figured, the Obsidian would go very well with iris, so that's why I did it. And it fits nicely and snug on there, which is nice compared to previous Google cases that for some reason didn't have much protection for the display. This one does. I can see already. You got the cutouts, and they're nicely matching to what they're cut out for, which is like the ports, the speaker, the camera sensor, and yeah, feels really nice in the hand. Some people say it's got some nice grip to it. I'll tell you guys, it feels a little bit more slick to me. So that's just me. But it does. But it's nice. It's got that G logo, and yeah, I think the only thing that I'm gonna probably have an issue with is because it is, a black color, like dust and stuff like that. If it gets on the back of the case, it's gonna be very noticeable. But I tend to just clean these things off every time because they OCD. It gets kind of annoying. I also got a 3-pack of tempered glass screen protectors I'll be applying later on, but I'm not very good at applying screen protectors, so I'm not even gonna do it on the video. I mean, you guys are gonna see how bad of a job that I do. But nonetheless, these are on sale on Amazon right now, so they're like, I think 23 bucks. If you want to grab you one, go grab you one on Amazon.